Who knew owning a cleaning business deals with so much paperwork? I mean, honestly, I thought the biggest problems would be stubborn stains and finding the right cleaning solution. Turns out, half the battle is just keeping track of everything. Bookings, feedback forms, inspection checklists, it's just a mountain of paper. And if that sounds familiar, then let me introduce you to Tigerform. It's a form builder that lets you create custom forms for all your needs, but with the added convenience of QR codes. Here are some useful forms that you can create with Tigerform. Customer feedback form. You know how it is. Finishing up a job and wondering if the client's really happy with the results. Instead of guessing, why not just ask? Put a QR code on your invoice or receipt that takes them straight to a quick feedback form. Ask stuff like, how satisfied were you with the service? Were there any areas that needed more attention? Or would you recommend us to others? It's a simple way to get honest feedback, improve your services, and show your clients you genuinely care about what they think. Booking form. All right, let's be honest. No one likes playing phone tag just to set up a cleaning appointment. Put a QR code on your website, business card, or flyer, and make it super easy for clients to book your services. They just scan, choose what they need, pick a date and a time, and boom, appointment set. No fuss, no back and forth. Inspection form. This is perfect for your team to track completed tasks and make notes on any issues they find while cleaning. They can even add photos for proof. It's great for quality control and making sure everyone's on the same page, literally. Satisfaction survey. A quick 1-minute survey right after the job wraps up gives clients an easy way to share their thoughts. Set up a star rating system and a space for extra comments. You can stick a QR code on the cleaning checklist or send it via email. It's low effort for them and super valuable for you. Consent form. If you're offering specialized services like deep cleaning with certain chemicals, you'll need a consent form. Clients can just scan the QR code to read through the details and sign off. It covers your bases and makes sure that they're cool with the process. Service request form. Need to handle special requests? This form lets clients ask for extra services like carpet cleaning or window washing without needing to make a call. They can just scan, fill out what they need, and you've got it covered. Incident report form. All right, if something goes wrong, like let's say a broken vase or equipment malfunction, your team can quickly fill out a report just by scanning a QR code on their work device. No messy paperwork or forgotten details. Cleaning services are all about keeping clients happy and staying on top of things. With Tigerform, you can do just that. Use it for your invoices or booking forms to collect feedback, preferences, and reservations instantly. Plus, all responses are stored in one dashboard, so you'll stay organized. If you're ready to take your cleaning business to the next level with faster feedback, hassle-free bookings, and easy record keeping, give Tigerform a try. Your clients will love how convenient it is, and you'll love how much time and effort it saves. Just click the link in the description box below to get started. And while you're there, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making your business run better. Thoughts on other ways you can use Tigerform? Let us know in the comments. See you there. Tigerform, your all-around form builder powered by QR Tiger.